Hey guys, PS Collectibles here with another video, and today we're going to be unboxing Spider-Man Metal. So here we go. So I was finally able to get my hands on a box of Spider-Man Metal. For those who don't know, this is the new release of Upper Deck for Marvel cards. This is the 2021-22 Spider-Man Marvel Metal Universe. This hobby box, of course, retails from about $500 to $700, depending, of course, where you buy it. Each hobby box contains 12 packs. Each pack contains 6 cards, and we're gonna go through the checklist right now. So here's the back of the box, which shows us the checklist of the set and the possible hits that we can get. I'm gonna try to zoom it in so you guys can follow with me. I'll try to go through this as fast as possible. So the base set is composed of 100 cards, and the high series set is composed of another 100 cards with various parallels. One of the parallels is the Gold FX, which has pack odds is 1:8, and the Grandiose, which has pack odds of 1:9. So in every hobby box like this, you're supposed to get 3 Gold FX cards and 2 Grandiose. So we're gonna see if that happens. The set also has certain serial numbered FX cards: the pink FX, which is numbered to 75, the turquoise FX, which is serial numbered to 50, the orange FX, which is serial numbered to 25, and the purple FX, which is serial numbered 1/1. Of course, this set has the precious metal gems, red and green only. The red PMGs are serial numbered to 100, and the green PMGs are serial numbered to 10. We also, of course, have for me, my chase set here, or my chase cards here in this set, is the Z-Force Rave cards, because I am a big fan of the Z-Force Rave cards in the basketball, and it's cool that they introduced it here into Marvel cards. So there are different variations of the Z-Force Rave cards, which is a regular Rave, serial number to 100, Amazing Rave, serial number to 62, Spectacular Rave, serial number to 25, and Super Rave, serial number to 1/1. Platinum metal cards are available also in aluminum, copper, platinum, and gold. Palladiums, which I believe you are supposed to have 1 palladium for every hobby box. Platinum portraits, retro animated series, Daily Bugle headlines and the short print variation, Rogues Gallery, Skyscraper shadow boxes, which also have short print variations, comic cuts with varied serial numbering, autographed comic cuts, and of course the Amazing Fantasy 15 comic cut serial number to 15. So that's pretty much everything here in the set. I hope we hit the big chase cards in this box. I'm really excited to open this. So after going through that, let's start. So now we're gonna start with the box. We're gonna check the seals. It's sealed. Super excited. I hope we hit the cards that we need to hit, because the box is very, very expensive, and even hitting a regular PMG, it really depends on the character. I would love to hit a purple FX, Super Rave, or a green PMG, a Spider-Man green PMG. That would be super awesome. So, oh, there's tape also here. Didn't know that. So I hope we pull an Amazing Fantasy 15 comic cut. That would be awesome. So supposed to be in every box, they're supposed to have 3 Gold FX, 2 Grandiose, a Palladium, a serial number, and an insert. So we'll see how that goes. We'll keep track of it. I want to shuffle the packs, or let's count the packs first to see if it's complete. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 12 packs. It's supposed to be 6 packs, 6 cards per pack. I'm very nervous. I'm very excited, of course, and I want to hit big. Of course, we all do. So first pack, I'm gonna do the whole scissors thing because I don't trust my pack opening. So pack number 1, supposed to be 6 cards. Your hit is supposed to be in the 5th card. So let's see. So first we have, that's nice, Toxin, Nick Fury. I don't know if you can see it properly. Mr. Negative, Tinkerer, our hit, High Series Scarlet Witch, and Dr. Octopus. So, not off to the best start. Pack number 2. Uncle Ben base, Mr. Sinister base, She-Hulk, Silk, cool. Cards are nice. A gold Falcon, so that's how the gold looks like. Gold High Series Falcon and High Series Black Tarantula. So, pack number 3. This is base of I have no idea who that is. Marlon, Doctor Strange, nice. Agent Venom, our hit. I think this is. Oh, we hit our numbered card. I think this is High Series Hawkeye. This should be an orange Molten Man. Oh no. Oh, that's just a gold. It looks orange. Is the gold Molten Man? Whew. I'm happy that that wasn't our numbered card. Cool. Base set Spider-Man. That's awesome. Daredevil. Green Goblin. Lizard. Grandiose. Black Tarantula. High Series Scorpion. Grandiose, that's cool. Look at that. You know the Grandiose, it actually says it, so you have no issues identifying Grandioses. So I'll keep the hits there. So that was pack number 4. Now pack number 5. So base Black Tarantula, Hawkeye, Scorpion, Aunt May, our hit Grandiose Marlin, that's cool, and High Series Aunt May, that's nice, check that out. So we hit our 2 Grandiose cards, let's put them here. We hit 2 gold. So this is pack number 6. Yep, 6. So halfway there we already got our Grandioses. This is Vision, Shocker, Beast, Mayday Parker. Our hit is the Palladium. Oh, that's a nice High Series Vision. Nice one. Null Palladium. That's nice. So we hit our Palladium, 2 Gold FX and 2 Grandiose. This should be our 7th pack. Cosmic Spider-Man, Scarlet Witch, Dr. Octopus, Craven, let's pull from the back, High Series Shocker, And our hit. Ooh. Oh, that's cool. Okay. This is, I guess this is a pink. This is the pink Spider-Man Noir. 71 out of 75. So this is our serial numbered card for this box. That's cool. Pink Spider-Man Noir. So we hit our serial numbered card, our Palladium, 2 Gold FX and 2 Grandiose, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs left. Hopefully this is a hot box. That would be awesome. This is the Miles Morales base, Kangaroo, Sentry, Thor, pull from the back, Low Series Hulk, High Series Hulk, and High Series Kraven. Black Widow, Hydro Man, Madame Web, Hobgoblin, Spider-Man More base, High Series, and Scream. That's cool. So 3 more packs. Ghost Spider, Crime Master, Black Cat, Tombstone, High Series Winter Soldier, that's cool, and Gold Spider-Man, that's nice. The golds are nice actually. This is the Gold Spider-Man card 176. So we hit our 3 golds, our 2 Grandioses, our Palladium, and our numbered card. So whatever's in these 2 packs, hopefully the last 2 packs will just be bonuses. I think we hit everything, or maybe our insert. Oh no, we hit. Oh, I know what this is. It's a sleeved card. So here's the base Hulk, Scream, Spider-Man Noir, Mayday High Series Beast, Mayday Parker, Daily Bugle. These things open up like that. That's cool. So we have this is the DB16. I think that's a short print. And the short print Daily Bugle. Just careful putting it back in the sleeve. Okay, that's cool. So last pack, hopefully we get something. Last pack, Winter Soldier, cool, base Wolverine, that's awesome. Ronin, Morbius, Mayday Parker, and Calypso. So I think in this box, upper deck, perfect. So we hit our Palladium. We hit our Palladium. We hit our numbered card, which is the pink Spider-Man Noir, number 275. We hit our insert, which I think this is a short print. We hit our 2 Grandioses, which is Black Tarantula and Marlin, and our 3 gold, which is Molten Man, Spider-Man, and Falcon. So that's cool. We'll do a recap, short recap after this. So let's recap what we hit in the box. I did receive everything that was owed to me. I think in every hobby box you're supposed to receive 3 gold FX, 2 grandiose, 1 numbered parallel, 1 palladium. I think we hit that. Here's our 2 grandiose. Here's our 3 golds. And here's our palladium. That's cool. And why I wanted to do a recap is when I was looking through the cards, it wasn't my numbered card, which is the one I was looking forward to. We did get everything we were owed in the box, but this Spider-Man Noir has a circle dent in the surface right there. I'm gonna put it in the middle of the light. So right there, I don't know if that's subject to replacement, I'm not sure, but it is very, you can see it very prominent in the right in the middle of the card, that dent there. So that sucks. The card I was looking forward to the most, which is the numbered parallel, is obviously damaged. For me, that's damage, but you guys let me know whether or not that's subject to replacement with Upper Deck. And of course the edges aren't that great, but you know, I'm okay. I was okay with the hit until I saw the dent on the surface, which sucked because you can really, it's really there. So before I sleeved it, I wanted to show it on camera, the dent. And aside from, so since we got what we were owed, the bugle, see the chipping, it's already there. Jesus Christ. I don't know if that's subject to replacement. That's very disappointing for the expense of the box, that I get a damaged, the number parallel is the one that's damaged. I didn't even notice that until now. Edge. But this Daily Bugle, I guess, is a bonus, and I think it's a short print, BB16. So that's cool. I'm okay. You know, people get lucky, people don't. This is okay. We got what we were owed. I just want to know if I can ask for a replacement for this because of the damage. Because this is, for me, the chase that all of us were buying this box for the numbered, for me, for the numbered parallels. So to have it damaged like that, the dent, edge chipping, corner wear, it's kind of disappointing. So I'm not sure. Anybody can tell me what to do or how to contact Upper Deck, whether this is subject to anything. But in the end of the day, these are cool. I really like the base. I'm already going to sleeve pretty much everything, especially the Wolverine. That's cool. I like that. The Miles is awesome. Right? Our high series cards, not super big fan of high series or the original art. I understand the importance, it's cool, but some are really awesome. But I don't know, I'm excited. This makes me want to rip more. Even if this happened. Okay, let's check it out again, just for last. Man, that sucks. And the dent there. Actually, the dent's better than the chippings on the corner and the edges. So we'll see about that. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys, were entertained, learned something. Maybe, I have no idea. But these are cool. I like that at least that we got the hits that we're supposed to get, whether damaged or not. We did get a bonus hit, and I'm planning. I really want to get more boxes. I really want to rip Spider-Man Metal more because these are cool cards. And keep in mind, yeah, not for like super value. It's not, you're not gonna get $500 worth of $500 to $700 worth of cards. Probably not. That's probably, you're probably really lucky, like the other people in other videos hitting amazing cards or hot boxes, like the 3 PMGs in one pack, all that. So Spider-Man Metal, it's a great product if you're a Marvel card fan and Marvel card collector. The price is high, but that's, I guess that's the game, and that's what it is. Hopefully it goes down, I don't know, or it gets better. I'm looking forward to e-pack. I've never really done the whole e-pack thing, so I'm going to learn just for Spider-Man Metal. I do want a green PMG of Spider-Man in this set, because it's not like the original 13-15 sets where it's going to be unattainable in price. These ones probably can happen. So hope you guys subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment down below what's your favorite hit in what we opened, and if you're planning on getting Spider-Man Metal or you're planning on joining e-pack, just comment down below what's your strategy, all that stuff. See you in the next video.
Yeah, I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go